Lightning strikes Earth about 8 million times every day, and each strike is a massive discharge of electrical energy created when charges build up inside storm clouds. As the electric potential increases, the atmosphere can no longer insulate the charges, causing a sudden, powerful release of energy we see as a lightning bolt. A single strike can heat the surrounding air to temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun, producing the loud shockwave we hear as thunder. Most lightning occurs within clouds, but cloud-to-ground strikes are the ones that pose the greatest danger to people, buildings, and power systems. These strikes help balance Earth's natural electrical field and play a role in producing nitrogen compounds that enrich soil. Despite modern safety systems, lightning remains one of nature's most unpredictable and powerful phenomena.